Hello friends, look where I am. It's back to school at the dollar store. Let's go shopping together. Hola, this is Lady and welcome. During this COVID-19, I had to make some changes in my classroom organization and also my budget. I will show you at the end of this video everything I got from the dollar store. Back to school is coming and I'm ready to shop. I haven't shopped since March and I am desperate looking for great deals. I am also looking for classroom decoration. I found this beautiful eraser. This will be great for the transportation theme that I always do in the month of June. The dollar store has so many options for you. I have never seen something like this before. This is my first time. There is so many options here. Look at this. These are the dry eraser packets. I use them every single day with my preschoolers, and they also have the dry eraser markers. So now just for $2 you already have a good activity for the kids. And I found the decorations. I was looking for them and I was about to leave and I found these cases. They come in different colors. I love the color. I like the quality. They also have the composition books that I use for the journals and many other different items that you can use for your classroom. I was really happy also to find these cases. They have designs. They are super cute. More containers here. They also have trays. I'm so thankful that this store exists. This is a great place to be if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend too much money. And look at these cases. These are great. Love the colors. We can use this for Play-Doh. We can use this for pencils. And they also have the sight words. They have for preschoolers. They also have for kinder. I will take some of them to see if this is going to work for my program. They also have this nice decoration for your classroom. More borders. They have so many options. Look what I see now. The chair covers. If you don't have a cubby, this can be a good option. In a little bit, I will show you how I did mine. And it doesn't end. Every side I go, I find something so good. Look at this. These calendars are excellent for us to put in our entrance. Now I don't have to spend $10 anymore. Just $1 and I have for each month. So I'm super happy with this. And do you guys remember my decoration that I had for the ocean? This is something that I use. I believe I need another hour here. So let's check this side. They have so many toys. I can use this one for my sensory battle. I can do 3 different ones with this. It's just $1. This is a great option. I'm gonna get some of this. Let's see what else they have. Oh, just a review. I got all these calendars because I'm gonna be decorating my place using different pages of this calendar. I am also getting all the wood calendar so I can have one for each month. They also have different tools for Play-Doh. And I see something for the ocean theme. This will be great for water play. So I'm gonna take 2 of them. We are moving to the other side, and here is mainly for art and crafts. They have the sticky glue. They also have paint. They have so many things for the sensory battles that I'm gonna be doing. This is great. I like it. And this package comes with 6 pieces for $1. This is awesome. They have so many things. So I'm gonna take 1 of each for my sensory battle. The dollar store also has these nice containers and this book display. I like them. I'm gonna take 1 of each color. And they also have different kind of bandages. I love the colors. Many options for your emergency kit. And I cannot shop anymore. They only have 1 shopping cart and I'm not done. Oh well, it's time for me to pay. I'm really impressed with all the good items I found at the dollar store. I'm really picky when I'm choosing a thing for my class. So now let me show you what I got. I got the decorations. I'm really happy with these borders. And they also have paint. I got paint so I can paint outside. And then I found this set for the ocean for water play. And I was happy to get these cases because now each of my kids, they can have their own writing supplies. This is one of my plans to stop the germs. So now everybody has individual cases. They cannot be sharing anymore. So I'm gonna be doing 1 for each. And I also have these dividers I will be using for my binder. And for sure I'm gonna get new contracts. And I always choose red for good luck. I will be making many cases for each individual child. So I got pencils and I was so happy with this found. This is a great deal. It's just $1. It won't hurt, and I can put my new calendar every month. I have so many choices. Most of the stuff I got was to make individual cases for each child for this new school year. So I will be including each material so they don't have to share. Look what I also got. I got all the supplies for my emergency kit. I will be also putting together one for my outdoor play. These bandages are cute. They have many colors. And I also found these soda bubbles. They are great for our ice cream shop. It's only $1 for 3 of them. And yes, I had to seal them before I put it. It was fun. We used it outside first with the bubbles. The kids were happy. We have so many options, and it's only $1 for 3 of them. I also bought these fun toys. This will be mainly for my water play. I'm talking about the ocean, so these are perfect. I also got these pedal stones, and I use them in many of my different activities. And for this new school year, I will be making many sensory battles for my class. I have materials, so many colors, many choices that I have. And yes, I will be making a video just about sensory battles. And yes, I had to get pipes. We are always doing different activities using them. And I got the sight words, and I got these ugly dolls. Mainly will be for prizes or just gifts. The kids were so happy when they saw them. I had to get this book display. I had many, but I really liked the silver color. And this is how I display the books. When you put together an environment, it's so important, every little touch. I was happy to find these pompons with these spiky little things. I always use this for when I'm talking about germs. And last time I paid like $9.99 for 300 of them. So this time it was $3 for 180. Now, this is a good option in case you don't have a cubby. By covering a chair, this can be a good option for you to store all the materials, notebooks, everything that a child will need. Just make sure you label it. And the Dollar Tree has it in many colors. They have also bright colors. I also got new folders, red and blue. This will help me for my new enrollments. Right now, I'm on a budget, so I'm trying to find the best item for my classroom. These are the notebooks I use for my journals. This year we're gonna be doing a new journal. So every child needs one, and I got in many colors for each of them. I was really happy when I did this video. I was able to shop. I was able to share with you guys everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Don't forget to stop by. They have great deals. So get ready to set up your new classroom for this new school year 2020. I hope you really enjoy watching this video. If you haven't gone yet, I recommend you to go. They have good stuff in the teacher section. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like it. Also subscribe and click the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta pronto. See you soon.